Okay, so here is the best way on how you can connect Apple Music with your Discord server. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can connect Apple Music with Discord or your Discord server. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of what you need to do is just simply head over to your web browser. So there are two methods. The first one being joining a Apple Music server. So if you go to over here, you'll find some servers over here. But if you can't exactly find your server, you can just keep on searching for it. And you'll find in these websites like Discovery and everything. So you just need to look out for it and you'll find it. So yeah, and there's also an official Apple Discord server that you could join. And just like that, you can join that as well. So now the other method is getting GitHub. So if you Apple Music Discord GitHub, it'll give you these GitHub codes and it's a whole package. So what you can do is just simply do the overview of the project and just simply download it. And here, as you can see, it's just going to tell you all what you have to do, your windows and everything, what you exactly need. Once this is done, you can just simply download this entire coding or the specific file if you need it, and you can just use it. And here it says, this rich Discord presence known Discord service Apple Music. So it actually doesn't support Apple Music, but it's just gonna help you connect your Discord to your Apple Music. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helps you out. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.